Imagine cruising down the highway, unaware that your car carries a ticking time bomb, an invisible defect that could put your life at risk in an instant. This isn't a horror story. It's the harsh reality faced by millions of drivers affected by car recalls. From exploding fuel tanks to engines that suddenly shut down mid-drive, these are the catastrophic car recalls that automakers hope you forget, but you simply can't afford to ignore. Buckle up as we dive into 10 of the most terrifying car recalls in automotive history, because your safety may depend on it. Number 10. Ford Pinto, 1970 to 1980. Explosive rear-end collisions. The Ford Pinto is perhaps the most infamous car recall in automotive history, largely due to the sheer audacity with which the automaker prioritized profits over human lives. The Pinto's gas tank was positioned in such a way that even minor rear-end collisions could cause the tank to rupture, resulting in catastrophic fires and explosions. Tragically, dozens of people lost their lives because of this design flaw. What's even more shocking is that Ford knew about the problem early on, but made a cold, calculated decision. The company figured it would be cheaper to settle lawsuits for the deaths than to redesign the car. It wasn't until public outrage reached a fever pitch, bolstered by damning internal documents and relentless media coverage, that Ford was forced to recall 1.5 million Pintos. This scandal remains a sobering reminder of what happens when corporate greed outweighs ethics, and it serves as a cautionary tale for automakers everywhere. Number 9. Toyota, 2009 to 2011. Stuck accelerator pedals. Between 2009 and 2011, Toyota faced one of the largest recalls in automotive history, affecting over 9 million vehicles worldwide due to a dangerous defect. The accelerator pedal could get stuck, causing sudden and uncontrollable acceleration. This led to numerous high-speed crashes, injuries, and even deaths. The issue came to the public's attention after a horrifying accident in which a family's Lexus surged out of control. Toyota, long seen as a symbol of reliability, had to work hard to rebuild consumer trust after this public relations disaster. Number 8. General Motors, 2014. Faulty ignition switches. The General Motors ignition switch recall is a stark example of corporate negligence at its worst. The faulty switches in millions of vehicles could slip into the off position while driving, cutting power to vital systems like airbags, steering, and brakes. This catastrophic loss of control led to at least 124 confirmed deaths and hundreds of injuries, sparking widespread outrage. What makes this recall even more egregious is that GM knew about the problem for over a decade, but failed to take immediate action, likely to avoid the massive financial hit of a recall. The company only acted when it could no longer deny the overwhelming evidence of the defect's deadly impact. Number 7. Ford Firestone tires, 2000. Deadly tire blowouts. In the year 2000, Ford and Firestone faced a joint scandal that rattled the automotive world. The issue centered on the tires fitted to Ford Explorer SUVs, which had a fatal flaw. At high speeds, particularly in warm climates, the tires were prone to blowouts. This led to catastrophic rollovers and was responsible for at least 100 deaths and hundreds of injuries. Ford and Firestone, longtime corporate allies, quickly turned on each other. Ultimately, the partnership between Ford and Firestone, which had lasted for over a century, came to an acrimonious end, showing that no business relationship is worth more than human lives. Number 6. Volkswagen, 2015. Diesel emissions scandal, Dieselgate. In 2015, Volkswagen was caught in one of the most shocking scandals in automotive history. The company had deliberately installed illegal software, known as defeat devices, in over 11 million diesel vehicles across the globe. These devices were designed to detect when the car was undergoing emissions testing and temporarily alter performance to produce compliant results. However, when driven under normal conditions, these cars emitted up to 40 times the legal limit of nitrogen oxides, a pollutant linked to respiratory diseases and environmental degradation. On top of that, VW's once sterling reputation was tarnished, resulting in a massive loss of consumer trust and leading to the resignation of key executives. In response to the scandal, governments around the world tightened regulations on emissions testing, ensuring that such deceit would be far more difficult in the future. Number 5. Takata Airbags, 2001 to 2019. Exploding airbags. The Takata Airbag scandal is the largest automotive recall in history, affecting over 100 million vehicles globally and involving nearly every major car manufacturer, from Honda to BMW to Toyota. The defect was first identified in 2001, but it took nearly 2 decades to address the issue fully. Millions of cars remained on the road with these ticking time bombs, and even today, some vehicles with defective Takata airbags are still out there. Takata eventually filed for bankruptcy under the weight of mounting legal claims, leaving a legacy of negligence that haunts the automotive industry to this day. Number 4. Ford Cruise Control, 2005 to 2010. Fire hazard. Between 2005 and 2010, Ford faced yet another massive recall, this time involving its cruise control deactivation switches. The problem? A defect that could cause vehicles to spontaneously catch fire, even when parked and turned off. The culprit was a faulty switch that could leak brake fluid, leading to electrical shorts and, ultimately, ignition. Imagine coming out of a grocery store to find your car engulfed in flames, or worse, waking up to your garage on fire. This nightmare became a reality for many Ford owners, some of whom lost their homes or suffered significant property damage. Despite the severity of the problem, Ford's swift cooperation with regulators and aggressive recall efforts helped minimize the long-term damage to its reputation. Number 3. Jeep Grand Cherokee, 1993 to 1998. Rear gas tank fires. The Jeep Grand Cherokee recall from the 1990s exposed a deadly flaw in the SUV's design. Its rear-mounted gas tank was highly vulnerable in rear-end collisions, leading to potentially fatal fires. The problem was linked to over 50 deaths before Chrysler, Jeep's parent company at the time, was forced to take action. Initially, Chrysler resisted calls for a recall, arguing that the vehicle met all federal safety standards at the time it was produced. But public pressure, coupled with relentless media scrutiny and mounting lawsuits, ultimately forced the company to recall over 1.5 million vehicles. Chrysler's solution was to install a protective trailer hitch to shield the gas tank from impact. While this stopgap measure helped reduce the immediate danger, the recall did little to quell the outrage from consumers who felt Chrysler had gambled with their lives for the sake of profit. Number 2. Hyundai and Kia, 2011 to 2019. Engine failures and fires. Hyundai and Kia, 2 automakers with a shared corporate lineage, found themselves at the center of multiple recalls over the better part of a decade due to widespread engine problems. The defects, which affected more than 6 million vehicles, included issues like premature engine wear, oil leaks, stalling, and, in the most dangerous cases, engine fires. Imagine driving down the highway at full speed when your car's engine suddenly loses power, or worse, bursts into flames. That terrifying scenario became a reality for many owners of Hyundai Sonatas and Kia Optimas. The automakers were slow to address the problem, resulting in hefty fines from the U.S. government for failing to initiate a timely recall. Number 1. Ford Explorer 2020. Rear suspension failure. In 2020, Ford faced yet another serious recall, this time involving its flagship SUV, the Explorer. What made this recall particularly unsettling was the fact that it impacted one of Ford's most iconic and family-friendly models, marketed as a safe and reliable option for everyday drivers. The recall came just months after the Explorer's release, raising serious questions about Ford's quality control processes and its ability to detect defects before cars hit the road. While Ford acted quickly to address the issue, the incident was yet another blow to its reputation for safety. Thanks for riding along on this bumpy journey through car recalls. Remember, your car's biggest danger shouldn't be your playlist. If you found this interesting, hit that subscribe button, because you deserve a ride that's smoother than Ford's reputation after the Pinto. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep those wheels rolling.